Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to share a post on Instagram story. To share a post on Instagram story, firstly open your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into Instagram. Now choose the post that you want to share on your story. After finding a post that you want to share, tap on arrow like button which is just below the post. And at the bottom of the screen there are many options available. Out of those options, tap on second option, that is add to story. Now tap on your story which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see that the post has been shared in our story. So this is how you will be able to share a post on Instagram story. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.